Let's begin by opening Canva. Click on the Create button, go to Templates, and choose the Brochure option. Canva instantly provides us with a wide range of beautiful brochure templates. We'll select one that best suits our workshop. Once chosen, let's start customizing it. We'll add our institute's name and the title of the workshop on the cover page. Next, from the Photos option, we'll search for some workshop-related images to include in the design. To make it easy for participants to register, we'll insert a QR code by typing the registration form's URL. Now, our first page includes all key details, workshop highlights, information about the institute, venue, date, and time. Finally, let's adjust the image transparency slightly so that the text looks clean and stands out beautifully. On the second page, I have added information such as the objectives of the workshop, key takeaways, schedule, and target audience. Once everything looks good, click Share. Download and choose PDF print for a high-quality output. And that's it. Your brochure is ready. You can print it or share it digitally as a soft copy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials in this series.